Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you how I made this beautiful wall sconce using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Interested? Then just keep watching. Here are the items that I used for this project. I'll also leave a complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use hot glue to attach all three of my foam boards together. Next, I used an X-Acto knife to cut a 7 by 27 inch piece of the foam board out for my wall sconce. Next, I used hot glue to cover the perimeter of the foam board with diamond wrap. Next, I removed my 7 by 9 inch mirrors from their frames, and I used a combination of E6000 and hot glue to attach the mirrors to the foam board. Here you see me using the Dollar Tree glitter glue sticks. I'm only using these sticks because they are the only glue sticks that I had on hand. You definitely do not need glitter glue sticks for this project. I then used E6000 to attach my 5-inch round mirrors to my design as well. Once I ensured that the mirrors were properly centered, I added just a bit of hot glue to the mirror just to hold it in place while the E6000 dried. I then put that piece aside and began working on my butterflies. To make my butterflies, I'm using my 1 3/4 inch lever that I picked up from Michael's craft store. I think it was about $7. I basically used my lever to make the butterflies out of the serving tray, the glitter ribbon, as well as the adhesive diamond wrap. I was able to cut out 27 butterflies from one serving tray. I'll also point out that the bottom of the serving tray is black, so you could use either the silver or the black side of the serving tray for this project. The diamond wrap butterflies were the most difficult to cut out, but with a little pressure, I was able to cut out the diamond butterflies that I needed. to make my diamond wrap butterflies a bit more sturdy, I decided to add the diamond wrap to the top of some of the serving tray butterflies. It was then time to add my butterflies to my wall sconce. I then placed down my butterflies in my desired pattern, and then I used E6000 to attach all but the glitter paper butterflies. The glitter paper is self-adhesive, so the E6000 wasn't needed. Once I was happy with the placement of my butterflies, I then used E6000 to attach the Tealight Candleholders to the center of my round mirrors. Some of you guys may recognize these Tealight Candleholders. They were at the DollarTree last year. I've had them for a while and decided to repurpose them for this project. They do have small holes on the bottom, so to cover those, I'm using some 1-inch round mirrors that I already had at home. To complete the project, I allowed my wall sconce to dry overnight. I then cleaned my mirrors, used command strips to hang it, and here's the finished look. You guys know I'm obsessed with butterflies, so I think that this mirrored wall sconce turned out beautiful. And of course, I'm making a second wall sconce for the other side of my door as well. This project was so much fun to make. I played around with multiple colors and designs, but overall, I'm really happy with my final design. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Also, be sure to subscribe to my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, up close and personal. I'll leave a link to my new vlog channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, guys, bye!